In the field of microflammable coil winding technology, shape-pull winding machines have established prominent interleave technical barriers. This enables users to leverage the equipment's comprehensive leading performance to gain a crushing advantage over other processes right from the initial stage of process implementation, thus securing a competitive edge in traditional processes. When winding platinum wires with a diameter of 0.0 to 5 mm onto stainless steel capillaries with an outer diameter of only 0.4 mm, the industry often faces bottlenecks due to the excessively thin wire, difficult tension control, and insufficient symmetry. By adopting high-precision servo control and microscopic level guidance technology, shape-pull has achieved stable tension control and micron-level positioning. This ensures that the platinum wire adheres closely to the true wall during the winding process, guaranteeing the symmetry and consistency of the coil. This not only solves problems such as wire breakage and looseness, but also endows the coil with high repeatability and excellent consistency. With its continuously iterated precision processes, shape-pull winding machines are helping customer products maintain a leading position in the field of microflow detection. Shape-pull, cooperate for inclusive benefits.